Hi everyone, welcome to this campaign. I am so excited to launch this campaign of the launch of my book, Inventing BE. It has been years in the making, and after a while I even didn't think it was ever going to happen. But here we are, third week of October, this book launches, it's going to be published, and I'm so excited for you to read it. Through this campaign you can pre-buy your book, and there are special perks for autographed versions, numbered books. They're all hard copies in this campaign, and this is the only channel where you can get a hard copy. Know that we plant trees and use recycled paper and whatever for the hard copies. The book is it's a thick book. There were a lot of stories to choose from. I'm so excited for you to read it. I can't wait to hear what you think of it, and I really hope that this book is a conversation starter, and to explore further what our collective awareness is, our collective conscience, our collective being in this world right now at this moment, because it is an important moment in our existence, and I think it is crucial that we step in the responsibility and the awareness that we have as humans in this time. And I hope that this book is a sort of window into a conversation that we can have. So don't be a stranger. Get the book, organize signing events, whatever you want. I'll probably travel around a little bit. Yeah, this book needs to see the light of day, and after all those years, this is, I think, the right time to do that. So thank you for being here, and thank you for ordering the book, or more books if you want, and reading it, and then being in contact. Be in touch. Like let's engage with each other. We need to come together and cross our divides and be good human beings in this time. Wouldn't that be great? Anyway, enjoy the book, and I'm really looking forward to having conversations with you about this. Thank you so much.